Okay, let's take a look at this question. So Guang Liang spent 1/9 of his salary on food, transport, and gave 3/8 of the remainder to his mother. Then he saved the rest. The amount of money that he saved was $600. So in this question, there are a few items, right? So there are salary, food and transport, mother, and he saved the rest. The rest means the saving, right? The saving. So now I'm gonna draw the bar first. Okay, the bar on the salary. So why I'm gonna draw on salary, because the salary is the original amount of money that the Guoliang has. So I'm gonna draw this bar like this. I'm not sure whether it is long enough. Okay, I just stop at here first. Now I'm gonna divide this bar into few parts. So how many parts do I need to divide? Actually depend on this question, you see. 1/9 of his salary on the food and transport. It means what? It means if I divide this salary into 9 parts, then one of it will become the food and transport. So I know actually I need to divide this bar into 9 parts. So I'm going to draw it now. This 1, 2, 3, maybe this 4, 5, 6. Here you got 7, 8, and 9. Okay, here are the 9 parts. Okay, now I'm gonna shade the first part for you to indicate that this is the food and the transport. Okay, the transport. Okay, we have done for this. Now we're gonna look at the next one. That is the 3/8 of the remainder. So where is the remainder? Now you know. Here is the remainder. I'm gonna label it for you. Okay, this one is the remainder. Okay, remainder. And tell you, okay, this remainder so happened that what? He got 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. And this fraction also got 8. The denominator is 8. So it means what? I can straightforward to draw the 3 parts here to represent the amount of money that gave to his mom. Right? So happened that is 8, 3 out of 8. So I can straightforward to shade these 3 parts. If this fraction is like 3/10, then it will be much difficult. I'm not gonna explain on this. If we, if we meet this kind of problem, then I will tell you later. Okay, so I'm gonna label this. Okay, this is for his mom. I'm gonna look at the next one. Okay, then he saved the rest. Save the rest. Where is the rest? Here is the rest. Right. So here become the saving. Right. This is for the saving. I'm gonna shade it for you. This is for saving. Okay, we have done for this. And it also tells you what the amount that he saved was $600. So we know that the saving is $600. Now we're gonna do what? We're gonna relate the parts that we talked just now. This one part, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this part. Actually, this one part we can consider as 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit. And normally I will write it as in a short form. That is 1U. So when we talk about 1 unit or fraction or ratio, actually it's talk about the same thing. So fraction, ratio, or these kind of parts units actually is telling you that the comparison between the two items. So it doesn't mean that it reflects the exact value of that items. It's just a comparison. Okay, it just tell you that this item is actually more than how many times more than the other items. So let's say I give you the example of this. So as you can see, this is means what? This food and transport is only 1 unit, right? But mother, you got 3 units. It means it's 3 times more than the food and transport. It's just a comparison between the two items. So it doesn't reflect the real, the exact value of that item. It doesn't mean that this mom, the amount of money that given to his mom is $3. No, not $3. T is just a ratio. It's just a unit to reflect that this actually is 3 times this food and transport. Okay. Now from here, we know that actually how many units for saving? There are 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know that actually 5 units represent, okay, $600. It only represents $600. Okay, so now what's the question asking for? So the question asks for what was his salary. So salary, we got how many units? They are total of 9 units, right? We divide into 9 parts, that means 9 units. We're going to find out what is the amount of money represented by 9 units here. How can you find the amount of money for 9 units? So some of the students that can solve for this kind of relationship, but some of the students that can't. So why? Because they skip one step. Okay, what is that step that needed? That is, before we want to find out the amount of money represented by 9 units, we're gonna find out how much money represented by 1 unit first. We're gonna find out this. So how can we find out this one? You have to see, I mean, this from 5 unit down to 1 unit. How can we make this 5 to 1? We just need to do what? Divided by 5. So same goes to here. You just need to divide by 5. Yeah. Then what do you get here? You know you should take 600 divided by 5. And what do you get? That is $120. Okay. Now, from here, now I only find out the amount of money represented by 9 units. This one, 9 units. So from 1 to 9, how can we do for that? You just need to times 9. So now you know you need to times 9. So what do you get here? 120 times 9 is equal 9, 0, 0, 9, 2 is 18. There's a 1 carry 1, 9, 1, that is 10. Okay, that is $1,080. That is for salary. Okay, now you solve for the first part. That is $1,080. So how about the second part? How much money did he give to his mom? So mom got 3 units. So you should know how to find, right, for the amount of money that gave to his mom. So 3 units represent how much? You just need to times 3, right? So you know 1 unit is 120. So you just need to times 3. What do you get? $360. So that's all. We solve for this question.